Hello friends, today we are gonna solve a nasty problem regarding the Jinja library not successfully recognized by Ansible. Jinja is very fundamental library and used in overall an Ansible playbook, so pretty fundamental. As you can see, you might end up having this error after a Python upgrade on your system, in this case using Python 3.11 to Python 12, and this library not successfully recognized in my system. I did dive on my system searching for the Jinja library using the Brew, the package manager, and it seems that everything was installed. So the problem might be related to the Jinja library in the Python 3.12 or Ansible itself. So first of all, I was removing everything, so I was starting from a clean environment with no Jinja and no Ansible. And then I was deep diving and investigate a little bit more of the problem. So this time the Ansible -- version I was expecting not to actually succeed because the command was expected not to exist on my system, but the file was still there. So this might be like a file that was forgotten from previous installation. So first of all, I was trying to remove any tracks of Ansible on my system. So Brew uninstall Ansible, and it seems that there is no tracks of Ansible on my package manager. So why am I still seeing the same error? I went a little bit crazy, as you can see, but the most important thing is that this file shouldn't exist. So let me take a look with where is Ansible, and it turned out with this path on my hard drive. So I was trying to understand if maybe there was some problem related to some manual installation using pip, but it wasn't the case. So I was trying to uninstall Ansible in this way, but this is not the way how my Python system-wide is managed on my system. As you can see, I was trying to uninstall using pip, using pipex, but it didn't work. Okay, so I was installing pipex. Just to let you know, pipex is a tool that you can manage an additional library on Mac for this system. But still, Ansible -- version was running on my system. So I was thinking one of the most crazy things is actually to remove this file, and now I was able to get the command not found that I was expecting. Great. So now Ansible didn't exist on my system, and I was able to reinstall everything from scratch. So this is the latest version of Ansible, Ansible 10, that rely on Python 12 and the related Jinja library. So reinstalling everything, make sure that we are using the right version of Python on my system, and hopefully it's gonna solve my issue. And as you can see, there are many commands that might be conflicting, and I was taking a closer look to this list, and it seems that the Ansible command that I was invoking was some sort of like an old binary that was in my system. So this time it didn't work, and if I scroll up a little bit, you can see that Brew is trying to suggest me the solution, that is actually to use the command brew link override Ansible. So I did, and now new symlink were created, and Ansible -- version is happy. It's using the latest version, the 2.17, with a Python 3.12 and Jinja library successfully loaded. Yeah, solve it. This was a nasty problem, but with a conflicting library, and we solved it. Yay!